Pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection that affects one or both lungs. It causes the air sacs, or alveoli, of the lungs to fill up with fluid or pus. Bacteria, viruses, or fungi may cause pneumonia. Double pneumonia. Double pneumonia is a lung infection that affects both of your lungs. Bacteria are a common cause of pneumonia in adults. Many types of bacteria can cause pneumonia, but Streptococcus pneumonia, also called pneumococcus bacteria, is the most common cause in the United States. Symptoms: cough, which may produce greenish, yellow, or even bloody mucus. Fever, sweating and shaking chills. Shortness of breath, rapid, shallow breathing. Sharp or stabbing chest pain that gets worse when you breathe deeply or cough. Loss of appetite, low energy, and fatigue. Treatment: antibiotics may be prescribed for bacterial pneumonia. Antiviral medicine is sometimes prescribed for viral pneumonia. Antifungal medicines are prescribed for fungal pneumonia.